The manufacturing journey of the Ford Mustang GT begins deep inside the factory, where raw steel and aluminum arrive in massive coils, ready to be transformed into one of America's most iconic muscle cars. These materials are lifted by heavy cranes and guided into the stamping area, where enormous hydraulic presses capable of exerting thousands of each press strike forms the precise curves and aggressive body lines that define the Mustang's legendary silhouette. Robotic arms swiftly pick up these newly formed panels, stacking and organizing them with perfect alignment before sending them onward for assembly. From here, the pieces move into the welding and frame construction zone. This section of the factory is alive with sparks, as dozens of robots work in harmony, spot welding the metal components into a rigid structure. The body shell of the Mustang takes shape as side panels, floor sections, reinforcements, and roof components come together. Every weld is carefully monitored by laser sensors to ensure perfect penetration and strength. Human technicians also play a key role, stepping in for delicate welding points and performing detailed inspections. By the time this phase is complete, the Mustang GT has a strong and precisely engineered foundation capable of handling high-speed power and torque. Once the frame is solidified, the body in white enters the paint shop, one of the most meticulously controlled environments in the entire facility. Before a single drop of paint is applied, the body is cleaned, pre-treated, and dipped into anti-corrosion baths that coat every part of it within small crevices that no human hand can reach, ensuring long-term durability. After drying, robotic sprayers cover the surface in electrostatic primer, creating a smooth base layer. Then comes the color coat, sprayed with ultrafine accuracy to deliver a deep, rich finish. Whether it's race, red, shadow black, or velocity blue, each layer is applied evenly and flawlessly. A glossy clear coat follows, providing shine and protection from UV rays and harsh weather conditions. The painted Mustang then enters a high-temperature curing oven, solidifying the paint into a durable mirror-like shell. While the body is being painted, back on the main assembly line, the painted body arrives for interior and mechanical installation. Technicians begin by fitting wiring harnesses which act as the nervous system of the Mustang, connecting lights, sensors, displays, and safety features. The cabin starts to come to life as the dashboard, digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and air vents are installed. High-quality seats, steering wheels, trims, and door panels are fitted with careful attention to detail. Each component is checked for alignment and secure fitment, ensuring the Mustang interior feels both sporty and refined. At the same time, high-performance components such as exhaust systems, fuel lines, radiators, and braking modules are added to the underbody. As the assembly progresses, the body and powertrain meet in a crucial stage known as marriage. Using precise machinery, the V8 engine and transmission are lifted and aligned perfectly with the chassis. When the bolts lock into place, the Mustang truly begins to feel like a complete machine. Suspension systems, including struts, springs, and control arms, are installed next. Designed to handle the Mustang's powerful acceleration and give it responsive handling, alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires are mounted and torqued to exact specifications. With its wheels touching the ground for the first time, the Mustang starts to resemble the legendary car known worldwide. The next phase involves critical electronic and sensor testing. Advanced diagnostic machines communicate with the Mustang's computer systems, verifying that all sensors, cameras, and driver assist features are functioning perfectly. Calibration systems ensure lane assist, traction control, stability control, and anti-lock braking respond with precision. Any irregularities detected here send the car back for immediate adjustment and correction. Once electronics are confirmed, the Mustang enters the water leak testing chamber. High-pressure nozzles blast water at the vehicle from every angle, simulating severe rain conditions. Technicians check the cabin for even the slightest presence of moisture. Only when the interior remains completely dry does the Mustang move to the rolling road test. On this machine, the wheels spin at high speeds while technicians monitor acceleration, braking response, engine performance, and vibration levels. It allows them to evaluate the car's dynamics without leaving the building. After passing the dyno test, the Mustang is driven to the outdoor test track. Professional test drivers take it through quick accelerations, sharp turns, harsh braking, straight-line sprints, and rough surfaces. They listen for rattles, feel for steering feedback, and ensure the suspension performs flawlessly under real-world stress. Only Mustangs that deliver the proper combination of power, control, and muscle car excitement are approved. When the Mustang passes all performance and safety checks, it enters final inspection. Here, specialists look over every inch of the vehicle paint quality, panel alignment, interior finish, fit-to finish, and mechanical integrity. Once approved, the car is cleaned, polished, and prepared for shipment. The finished Ford Mustang GT then moves into the delivery yard lined up with other freshly built models awaiting transport. from raw steel to a roaring muscle machine. The entire journey reflects a blend of advanced technology, engineering expertise, and American automotive passion.